As you can see here now, so let's check some mails, maybe they have been pwned or not. So now let's get started. Sorry for that. Can you see that this mail has been pwned on one site, and this is the site? Can you see? Compromise data, auto token, email address, genders, name, password, spoken language, username. So can you see that the mail has been compromised since April 2019 when using Lumen PDF. So that's it. Let's check another mail also. Can you see? This mail has been breached on 4 different sites. Yeah, on May 2014. Yeah, January 2019. Also here in late 2016, which means maybe when 2016 is almost ending. Yep, in July 2018. So can you see that? Also check some random mails like can you see this now? This mail has not been pwned, so no pwnage found. That is, guys, see you in the next video.